Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to clear your browsing history on the Epic Privacy browser. First, open the Epic Privacy browser. Then, open Settings. Choose the Privacy and Security option. Then, clear browsing data. From the Basic option, you can clear the basic browsing data. From the Advanced option, you can clear more browsing data options. And you can set the time range, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Click on Clear Data.